Imagine having the power to create anything you dream of, right from your desk. Need a new phone case? Or a missing chess piece? How about a functional prosthetic limb? With a 3D printer, this isn't a fantasy, it's reality. But how does this magic machine actually work? To truly grasp the marvel of 3D printing, let's embark on a thrilling journey through its evolution. It all began in the 1980s with Chuck Hull's groundbreaking invention of the first 3D printer using stereolithography. The concept of building objects layer by layer was nothing short of revolutionary. Fast forward to the 2000s, and 3D printing was gaining serious momentum. With technological advancements and reduced costs, hobbyists and engineers began to explore its potential. But it wasn't just a hobbyist's dream. 3D printing started transforming entire industries. In medicine, it enabled the creation of custom prosthetics and implants. In aerospace, manufacturers use 3D printed parts to build lighter, more efficient aircraft. Today, 3D printing is more accessible than ever before. You can find desktop 3D printers in schools, libraries, and even homes. And the materials? They've evolved beyond just plastic. We're now printing with metals, ceramics, and even biological materials. From its humble beginnings to its current status as a game changer, 3D printing has come a long way, and as we look to the future, the possibilities are truly limitless. So how does this fascinating technology work? Let's break it down. Now that we've explored the evolution of 3D printing, let's uncover its incredible impact on our daily lives. Picture this. You start your day with a 3D printed toothbrush. Then you head to the kitchen, where your custom-designed coffee machine, made just for you, awaits. Need a car part? No worries. With 3D printing, you can produce the exact part you need, exactly when you need it. This not only saves time, but also minimizes waste, as you only create what's necessary. In education, 3D printing is revolutionizing learning. Students can bring history to life by creating their own artifacts or design prototypes for engineering projects. It's hands-on learning at its best, sparking creativity and innovation, but the magic extends beyond home and school. In medicine, 3D printing is a lifesaver. Surgeons can practice complex procedures on 3D printed organ models, boosting surgery success rates. Custom prosthetics and implants offer patients a perfect fit and greater comfort. And in the arts, 3D printing is a game changer. Artists and designers are crafting intricate sculptures, fashion pieces, and even musical instruments that were once unimaginable. From simplifying daily routines to advancing science and art, 3D printing is transforming our world in extraordinary ways. And this is just the beginning. The possibilities are as vast as our imagination. So how does this fascinating technology work? Let's break it down. Imagine having the power to create anything you dream of, right from your desk. A custom phone case, a unique chess piece, or even a functional prosthetic limb. With a 3D printer, this isn't just a dream, it's reality. But how does this magic happen? It all starts with a process called additive manufacturing. Unlike traditional methods that carve objects from larger materials, additive manufacturing builds them layer by layer, like a cake, but not as tasty. First, you need a digital blueprint, a 3D model created with software like Blender or Tinkercad. A 3D printer doesn't print the whole object at once. It slices the model into thin, horizontal layers, like a loaf of bread. Each layer is printed one at a time, stacking up to form the final object. Not all 3D printers are the same. Let's explore the main types. First, FDM or fused deposition modeling. This is the most common type. It uses a spool of plastic filament like PLA or ABS that's melted and extruded through a nozzle. The material cools and hardens, forming the object layer by layer. Next, SLA or stereolithography. SLA printers use lasers to cure liquid resin. The laser traces each layer in a vat of resin, hardening it into shape. This method is ideal for ultra-detailed prints like jewelry or dental molds. Lastly, SLS or selective laser sintering. SLS printers take it to the next level. They use a laser to fuse fine powder particles together. This method is often used for industrial parts, from aerospace components to high-end prototypes. Now here's where it gets mind-blowing. You can print prosthetic limbs, houses, food, medical implants, car parts, even fashion pieces. Scientists are even working on printing human organs for transplants. So, what's next for 3D printing? The future is looking extraordinary. We're talking about 3D printed rocket parts, space station tools, and even food for astronauts on Mars. With advancements in materials and AI, we might one day see 3D printed organs for transplants, custom-built houses on demand, and self-repairing machinery. 3D printing is revolutionizing creation and manufacturing, one layer at a time. Now, who knows, maybe one day you'll be printing your own clothes, furniture, or even dinner. Thanks for watching. How the heck? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you'd print if you had a 3D printer. See you next time.